Ramadan is a time for reflection, for growth, and for strengthening our connection with our community. At CCBE, we believe that Ramadan is a powerful reminder of the strength of our community and the value of continuous learning, both in and out of the classroom. This Ramadan, we take the time to reflect on the lessons we've learned and the growth we continue to pursue in every aspect of life. Together, we support one another, providing strength and encouragement, whether through shared meals, quiet moments of prayer, or acts of kindness. We uplift each other throughout this blessed month. Ramadan is a time to reflect, learn, and grow together. Let's make this month meaningful. From all of us at CCBE, we wish you a peaceful and blessed Ramadan.
Ramadan is known to be the holy month of Quran. It's highly recommended during the Ramadan to read, to study the Holy Quran and to share with others. In the Holy Quran, Allah declares the Ramadan as a month of forgiveness, kindness, and mercy.
Let me speak about some facts about Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month in the Islamic calendar. During this month, Muslims won't eat or drink in the hour of daylight. It's a month for spiritual discipline. It's a time for prayers and good deeds. It's a month for spiritual discipline. It's a time for prayers and good deeds. It means a lot to us when you wish us a Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan is not just a month of fasting. It is a time of reflection, self-discipline, and spiritual growth. It's a time to be kind and help people who need it and to make our relationship with other Muslims more stronger.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, my name is Shahinaz Abdullah. I'm a member of CCBE. So I came here to tell you Ramadan Mubarak. I wish all of you peaceful months and good months, and I hope also God accept our praying, our fasting, and our wishing also. I'm so grateful to having family and friends to share this wishing with them. And also, let's make this month's opportunity for gathering, sharing memories with our families. So I hope this month's come good for you, for all of us, and thank you so much for everything. Ramadan Mubarak. Bye.